Assalamualaikum. I hope you guys are fine. Today we'll discuss the same chapter, the break fractions and formulae from the workbook D2, chapter number 6, question number 5. We'll try to complete part 8 LF. Ready? So let's start with the task. The first question is, we just write part A of question. Part A is, question is same, simplify each of the following. So you need to do what? You need to simplify. So I'll not write that, I'll just directly write the question. The question is actually is written there 6ab square by 7c, multiplication sign is there after that, 56a cube by 48b C. This is actually the question. So in this question, what you guys can do, it's very simple and easy. I know many of you can complete it easily. So look, you can first simplify the numbers. Means you can just directly simplify this number. 6 ones are 6. You can cancel it. 8s are 6 8s are. Then 7 ones are 7 8s are 56. Okay, G. After it, what you guys can do, you can just write, or you can first cancel this 8 with this 8, and then after it, it will be a b square times a cube, this times a cube by c there, and here just bc left. So now look, it's very simple for us. We can just cancel this square with this b. It means that two b's are there, so we will cancel one. So now after that, the final answer of this part is just simple a power 4, because when there is a multiplication sign between the variables, so their powers can add up. So a power 4 b by c square. This is the final answer of this part. I hope you guys. So after this one, let's move on to the next B part. B part is again same or almost same. 5a square b power 4 by 3b c power 4 times 9b square by 10a cube. So now we can simplify this question by this way as well. Means you guys can directly obviously cancel the numbers, but what about the variables? We can write the variables by this way. A square means I can just write it 2 times. B power 4 means I can just write b by this way as well. That is up to you guys. So now 3b c power 4 means this. You guys can write it by this way. This is the easiest method, or by this way you can solve the question easily. So now a and a. So now you need to simplification. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So again the same, 3 ones are 3 threes are. After that, this a can cancel with this a can cancel with the next, so 1b can cancel with 1b. So Now after it, b's are cancelled actually. So after that part, um, now can we cancel any other variable? No, so we cannot. So then the final answer will be, after this will be, look in the numerator, 1 2 3 4 5. So I can just write 3 b bar 5. So look, 5 b's are there now. And now look in the denominator, 1 2 is there, 1 2 3 4 c's are there. So 2 1 a left and 4 c's. So this is your final answer of this part. I hope you guys got it. Okay. Then after this part we completed just two. Let's move on the next. We completed two. Then this is the C part. In the C part, what to do? It is 4 e square e by 3 ef times 27 e square f cube divided by 16 d bar 4. I hope you guys grasp the concept. So now you can just directly simplify the numbers. So what can we do? 4 ones are 4 fours are 3 ones are, so 3 nines are. After that, look at the variables. So we can cancel this e with this e. Now the part of this one is 1 actually, so I can cancel this with it. So 2 will left there, square is there with the d, so d square can cancel with this, so 2 left there. So after this we can solve the question by this way. So the final answer, it's easy for us to write by this way, or write the final answer directly. So I can just write 9. So look, just e square f square left in the numerator, and in the denominator we'll just write 4d square. So this is the final answer. Further on we cannot simplify this one, so that's why this is the final answer of the part. After this we completed C part. Now let's try to complete D. The part is 16 D square E bar 4 divided by 7 E F square times 21 E bar 4 F bar 3 divided by 24 D 3 and E bar 3 as well. So now look what to do with this now. So we can simplify this. 7 ones are 7, 3s are 21, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. And look, further on we can cancel these 3s as well. 3 ones are 3 ones are, so we can cancel. So e power 4. So look, in the denominator it will be e power 4 and e power 4, means total 8. So now look, one part is this and one e power 3 is there. So now after that I can just first write like this: 2 e square e power 4 times e power 4 f cube. I can just write by this way, and in the denominator f square e cube, e cube is there and 1 e is there. So now look, this and this can cancel. This complete can cancel with this one. Is there any d? Yes, d square will cancel with it. So after this, the final answer will be just 2 e power 4 f divided by just d. This is the final answer of this part. For this part, let's move on to the next. We completed D. Now let's complete E as well. E is 9 uh, h power 3 x square by 4k y square times 5k square y bar 4 and by 12 8 square bar. So how to simplify this one? You guys are familiar now with the things. So you can simplify this with 3 threes are 3 fours are 12. Now further on we cannot. Yes. So now let's just go for the variables. 8 square. This complete square will cancel with this one. Okay, fine. And now look. Y square 1y will cancel with k. With k will cancel with this. Okay, now the final answer is 5 3 are 15. Now what about the variables in the numerator? Those are h, x, k, and y. And in the denominator, only 4 4s are 16. No variable is there, so this is the final answer of the part. I would request E part done. After this, after the E part, let's just try to complete the F part of the question. And the F part is 16 x y cube by 15 a b c square times 25 a cube b c divided by 8 x square y z. In this question, we'll do the same. You guys are familiar, so let's just simplify. 8 ones are 8 twos are, so 5 threes are, and 5 fives are. After that, let's just write the answer because we cannot any further simplify the numbers. So 5 times 2 will be just 10. What about the variables? So now look, x, y cube, a cube, b and c. And in the denominator, you guys can just write 3, sorry, 3. Uh, you guys can write x square, y, z is there, and then a, b, c square. So just simplify this. So now how can you further simplify? This one is x, you can cancel this with this one. This can cancel with this, y, z remains as it is. We can do this with it. We can cancel with this, and this will be. So the final answer of this part will be just what it will be 10. I'll just write a square 10a square y square by 3 uh, c and then z. So this is the final answer of your this one. I hope you guys got it. Inshallah, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.